hau benai risau menta usnam ko wei kedukan ha thanad road khandailat kwa long trai de kisinghania kala julor ha kijingjia ploding beserkai hadu bana khlat wei nong trai jong kate kedukan marsi benai bakut ne benai kala saki baladon biang kijing ploding ko wei ke kudam bu marbam kabadan harut surok ba ha Garikhana kala ingkhong khat nakajing syak bamdu hakading hasiteng senya jong ka artrik no pra arhajar arpulai yakane ke kudam majik kuk bala pelu along trai du Sanjib Kumar Bajuria ulethu bala yo jingtip halo kani jingjia hakapor arsiteng jong kasiteng senya henrai hadu menta ompat yo jingtip yakadau jong kejing pelu jong kani ke kudam ulethu badan bok hakane ke jingjia syam ladon meno mensau bat syam ladon meno baklat
I got the information at 12:30 midnight, and I was in Guwahati. I reached here at 2 o'clock, and when I came here, some people there saying one. I don't know exactly what has happened, but when I had come, all the godowns were burned down. A lot of fire brigades were there. The district administration were present. They tried to douse the fire, but as it is an old construction, and I don't know, I can't assess what is the loss and all, because they have not allowed me to enter inside. We are having wheat, maida, atta, suji, wheat bran. अब अंदर में जाने से मालूम होगा ना, अंदर तो जाने नहीं सकता. I have not gone inside. When I am allowed to go inside, then I can say what is the damage. Because some people they are saying something is good, some people they are saying is damaged, and they are not allowing me to go inside because yesterday night also I wanted to go. Today also they said no, let the fire be doused off first. No injuries. By grace of God, there is no injury. Everybody is safe.